So welcome back guys, this is section 4.5 and we are going to solve question 19 of it. Here we have different parts and in these parts we have to use the Boolean algebra techniques to simplify the following expressions as much as possible. Okay, so here we have this part A and here we have this expression A and A plus B. Okay, so what we have to do according to the distributive law, we have to multiply A with all of these terms which are inside this bracket. So this A dot A plus A dot B. Okay, so what it will be equal to, this A dot A is equal to A. Okay, and this A dot B is like this one. So how would we do it? It is because A dot A is equal to A. So this is due to this law. Now here we have this one, and taking this A common from here, what we can get, A is common now, so 1 plus B will remain here. Okay, so from it we can very clearly see that 1 plus any literal here or any variable here will give us what? Will give us 1. Whatever here will be, it will give us 1. So here what I will get 1. So the simplified form of it will be this A. So this is the answer of part A. Okay, similarly part B, here we have A prime plus AB. Okay, now again using the distributive law here, multiplying this A with all the terms which are inside this bracket here. So A dot A prime plus A dot AB. So here what we have here A dot A prime is always equal to 0 according to the Boolean law, and similarly A dot A is always equal to A. Okay, so using these two laws here, what we will get here, we will get 0 plus this AB. Okay, which will simply be, because now here 0 plus anything here will give me that thing. So here we will get what? We will get here AB, and that will be the simplified version of this equation according to the Boolean expression. So this is part 2 of my question. Now let me move down. So part C, here we have BC plus B prime C. Okay, taking this C common from here, what we will get here, we will have B plus B prime. Okay, and according to the Boolean algebra, A plus any of its inversion will always be equal to 1. Okay, it will be equal to 1. So therefore this B plus B complement is also equal to 1. Okay, so therefore at the end 1 multiplied by C will be equal to what? This will be C. So this is the simplified version of this question, which is question number C. Okay, this is part C. Similarly part D, here let me solve this part D. So part D is A plus A prime B. Okay, so this is basically question, and let me move down here to solve it. So here now using the distributive property here again, let me multiply this term with all the terms which are inside of this bracket. What I will get, A dot A plus A dot A prime B. Okay, is it the same question or what? No, it is I thought that B and D are same, but now it is different. Okay, yes, this is different. So now as I know that A dot A is what? This is always equal to A, and A dot A prime is always equal to what? A dot A prime of it is always equal to 0. So according to this law, here we will get 0 dot B. Okay, so here we will get A plus 0 multiplied by anything will be 0. So here we will get this A. So A will be the answer here, which is the simplified version of this party. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have solved up to part D here. So to solve part E, it is your work to solve it by using all the forms, all the formulas which we have followed here, and I hope it will be easier for you to solve these type of questions. We will also try to solve it in our upcoming video as well, but it is now your task to solve it by following all the rules which we have followed here. So I will see you with some more questions in our upcoming video. Till then, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon.